Namaskar friends, welcome back to your channel Simplify Your Space. In today's video, I will be sharing a few very helpful and interesting home improvement products which can help you make your home more organized, clean and easy to maintain. This video is made in collaboration with Amazon. Now let's start the video. You don't need to iron clothes if you wear an Ironman suit, but that is surely not the case with most of us. Smart iron clothes is everyone's need and hence the ironing board. Even when the laundry is outsourced, one may need it for the final touches just before donning an attire. There is a wide variety available, but I like this one the most. It is a very well built and quality product. It comes with a removable aluminized cover that utilizes the latest in heat transfer material technology to reflect heat and save up to 40% electricity and time. Separate iron holder can resist high temperature and it is specially designed to cradle your iron when it needs to be safely kept aside. Wire manager is helpful to keep the tangling wires out of the way while ironing. It comes with a multi-utility tray which helps you stack clothes conveniently. Anti-skid shoes give you unrivaled surface grip and stability while the ironing board is in use. Once done, it can be folded compactly and fits easily in the corner. The product comes with the 2 years warranty. Another very important and largely used product is ladder. A good sturdy ladder is a very helpful product for every household to access lofts, to store items, changing curtains, cleaning ceiling fans, changing bulbs, etc. This particular ladder you must have seen me using in earlier videos and I'm really happy with it. This is Bathla 5 steps ladder. It is very well built and designed to use in any weather and surface. It is made with powder coated steel and ensures maximum corrosion resistance. All the steps and legs are covered with anti-skid padding. The hand grip at the top of the ladder ensures your stability while you climb. It also serves as a cushion knee guard as you extend your reach higher. It can be easily folded and fits perfectly in any small area of the house. The product comes with a 2 years warranty. Next are these transparent self-adhesive wall screw hooks which I really like and have been using for quite some time. No need to drill to hang frames and planters. Adhesive is very strong and can hold a good amount of weight. They claim that it can hold up to 6 kg of weight. In order to achieve better performance, it is recommended to hang heavy objects after 24 hours of pasting. They're also very reasonably priced. A good microfiber duster is a must-have to clean and dust higher surfaces conveniently. This fan duster is made of fluffy microfiber material. While cleaning, dirt sticks to the duster, keeping the surroundings clean. It comes with a 100 inches extendable handle to reach high ceilings with ease. The head of the duster is flexible. You can bend the hand duster to any convenient angle for versatile and effective cleaning. Gaps under the door of our rooms let light, air, dust and noise go through easily. An easy and budget-friendly option to fill this gap is door bottom sealing strip guard. Under door draft stopper is a double-sided insulating foam device for doors and windows. This creates an airtight draft-proof seal. One foam piece has 36 inches length with 1.6 inches dia which fits most of the doors. Draft guard door blocker can be removed easily and washed when needed. One of the most important items to have in your house for light and immediate repair works is a quality drill machine. This one is from Bosch and comes with a full toolkit box which includes a hammer, plier, leveler, wrench, screwdrivers, measuring tape, screws, gutties, etc. One box for all your repair work. We have been using it for years for minor repairs. This makes you truly independent for light repairs. The toolbox has 100 watts drill machine with 0 to 2800 RPM along with 100 accessories set. The toolbox is made of superior quality and keeps your tools secure and safe. The box can be stored in any small area. This is an Amazon Basics bathroom shelf which is very easy to assemble. It saves space and creates a contemporary look in your bathroom. It is made of sturdy steel with a polished chrome finish. If you don't have storage in the bathroom, this is the perfect spot to store additional towels and grooming supplies. This rack can fit easily into a corner or next to existing cabinetry. This minimal functional piece can be used for home decor as well, to store books and decorative pieces along with some indoor plants. The best part is it can be easily dismantled without any effort and can be stored in any small area. Spin mop can be very effective in regular cleaning. This particular Gala spin mops look stylish and made of good quality plastic. Black color looks premium. It comes with a big wheel and puller to easily carry the bucket around the house. The most interesting thing is that it has a triangle mop head and the ability to rotate 180 degrees. Due to its triangular shape, it can reach and clean deep into corners, under furniture, alongside baseboards and between tiles, which is somehow difficult to clean with a round mop head. Sometime back I had made a video on various mops that fulfill your needs. Link is mentioned in the description box. Please have a look. Another great home improvement product is this 8 pieces self-adhesive PVC flooring planks which has thickness of 1.6 mm. Each plank measures 36 by 6 inches. We can cut it with a regular scissor as per the requirement and no special experience is needed. If you're looking to change the flooring of any room temporarily, want to refurbish your home or like to create DIY projects with a wooden textured base, this is a great product in budget. It can be applied and removed easily, hence a great choice for renters as well. This self-adhesive plastic wall shelf can help you organize the clutters to make your bathroom, kitchen, dressing room neat and tidy. It can be wall mounted on a smooth and polished surface like ceramic tiles, glass and mirror. It comes with self-adhesive hooks, so no need to drill and make holes in the walls. It keeps your walls clean and helps you organize things easily. As the hooks can be easily removed, it makes the perfect choice for renters. It can take up to 2 kg of load. That was all about this video. Links for all the products shown in the video are given in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. Do subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for all the latest updates and video notifications. We'll see you all next week. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.